Good morning students, welcome back to electronic payment system. Today we are discussing the topic like payment cards and that credit card. Okay, here payment cards are just maintaining balance of fund in customer bank account is providing a credit card, okay, and debit card also. Here they have to maintain the accounts in a banks, okay. These are electronic means of making payments by the card holder. Payment cards are backed by corresponding accounts holding funds belonging to the card holders or offering credit to the card holders. Payment cards can be classified into two types here, and they are into two types depending on how the account linked to the card is managed. Based on that will be divided into two types here. Into different types over here, like kinds of payment cards are like credit card are there, debit card, smart card, charge card, stored value card, fuel card, sometimes gift card, electronic purse or wallet, etc. These are the different types of cards that will be classified into types depending on how the account linked to the card and it is managed based on that. Okay. Depending on the technology used in design and accessing the methods, payments card are again divided into some magnetic stripe card and smart card and contactless card, like based on the material used in this they will be divided, but especially payment cards will classify into credit card, debit card, smart card, charge card, stored value card, fuel card, gift card, electronic wallet or purse, etc. Next we are going to discuss in detail the credit card. Already you people have the debit cards, some people are having credit card also. Here a credit card is a payment card issued to users as a system of payment. It allows the card holder to pay for goods and services based on the holder's promise to pay for them. Here the issuer of the card creates a revolving account and grants a line of credit to the user. Here the credit cards are one of the electronic transactions. The credit cards are one of the means of electronic transactions wherein a buyer can purchase products or receive services without going for actual hard cash payments. Like no need of taking cash while purchasing anything if you are having credit card. Credit card means here you will be having the regular transaction in a bank, and if it is more than 1 lakh or 2 lakh like that, you can get the credit card. Okay, regularly if your transaction is above the 50,000, that time they will provide you the credit card, and through that credit card you can do the transactions, you can pay the bills and all, but they will mention some time, some period for you people. Within that period you have to pay the amount for that credit card. Okay, it will be based on purely on your transactions which are doing in a bank. Based on that they are providing the credit card. If you are salaried person, you are getting the salary per month above 50,000, your salary will be kept in a account of one bank. That bank will provide you the credit card based on your salary slips, salary amount. Credit cards do not remove money from the user's account after every transaction. Here in case of credit card, the issuer lends money to the card holding consumer to be paid to the merchant accepting that credit card up to a pre-established credit limit. Like there will for the credit cards. they will provide you the grace period. Grace period is the time the customer has to pay the balance before interest is charged to the balance. Like you are salaried person, you are getting per month 1 lakh rupees. At that time you can get a credit card from the bank, and in 1 month, like the credit card, you can purchase many things from the, if you are purchasing different things from the market, you can purchase and you can pay from the credit card. And the bank people will give you the grace period, like within 20 days after purchasing the product, within 20 days you have to pay the money to the credit card account. Like already your credit card limit will be 1 lakh rupee and you purchased already 80,000 rupees products. You purchased one TV of 80,000. At that time they will provide 20 days time for you. You already paid the money to the company 80,000, but you didn't paid money to the bank. They will give you the grace period of 20 days. Whenever you get your salary of 1 lakh, then you can pay the 80,000 to your credit card limit. Okay, like this provision they are providing for you people. If you are salaried or your transaction is regularly, you are doing transaction more than 1 lakh, that time they will provide the credit card for you. And credit card structure will be, it is like most credit card have the same shape and size. Like there will be standard for that, ISO 7810 standard. Based on that standard only card that is issued by banks. It contains a built-in electronic chip. It will be having electronic chip which stores card number, valid individual cardholder's number, issuing bank's identity, expiry date, security code, and also company logo, hologram, expiry date, cardholder's name, etc. will be there in a credit card. If you see your credit card of your father or anybody's credit card, just to see that, on that you will be having every details whatever already I had given here, like expiry date will be there, some embossed form of card it is, and it will be having the numbers will be embossed, and you will be having company logo, like which bank, Canara Bank credit card or SBI credit card or any other HDFC credit card, that company logo will be there, that symbol will be there on that. And there will be electronic chip is there, and cardholder's number and name will be there in that, and expiry date will be there in a mention there, and CVV will be there, that number will be mentioned there. Okay, everything will be there in a credit card structure. Okay, this is your card reader machine. Here you can see different types of card reader machines are there. Those are while paying the money, you can use this card reader machines. Okay, through this in TSS also it is there, they are also taking cards there, and you will enter your PIN, that amount will be paid to them. Okay, these are card reader machines. Here examples of credit card facilitators are Visa cards are there, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, etc. These are the different companies, they will provide the credit card. Like what is credit card, that they may ask, and explain credit card for 5 marks, they will ask this question. And for 5 marks, advantages and disadvantages of credit card. Here what are the advantages? Generally you can write this answer for this. Due to the convenient shape and size, handling credit card is very easy. Okay, it is very small and you can carry everywhere. Doing transaction based on money by credit card is safe and easy process. It is very safe. Like stealing of money is not possible, because in a card it is there, you have to remember your password, the number which they have given. Just you will enter a number and you can pay the money, and no need here stealing money. You are safe using credit card, you will be very safe here. Credit cards allow the card holder a credit limit. which can be used to purchase product and services even though her account contains less balance. Your account, you don't have money, only the minimum balance is there, you don't have money, but you want to purchase the product in this month only. At that time you can purchase the product through the credit card, and within next month 20th you have to pay that money. Whenever you got the salary, you can add the limit money to your credit card. Okay, that facility the bank people are providing for the credit card. Even though your balance is less, you can purchase the products after receiving your salary or any other money. You can pay to the credit card account. It provides higher level of security here. And disadvantages are, credit card are issued to the persons those prove their credit worthiness. Yes, if your salary is more, your transaction is more in a bank, only those persons the credit card will be provided, not for the lesser salary person, or if you are not transacting any account or more money, like they are not providing the credit card. Okay, they will not get the credit card there. And due to the credit facility in credit card system, user may unknowingly expend money which normally he or she tends to avoid when limitations are present. Like you are salaried person, you are having limit, you can purchase anything and you can pay afterwards. So here they provide you the limit for a credit card, but you will be having always the money in your hand through the credit card. You can purchase anything. That facility you will get here through the credit card. If you don't have the salary for 2 months also, you can get the products through the credit card. Sometimes it is disadvantages because we are crossing our limit like that. Higher fees and interest rates are charged on credit card. Sometimes higher fees and interest rates the bank may charge. You will be not knowing that when it is used advance money, like within that period, if you are not account, they will charge more fees, more interest rate for your credit card money. Okay, that is there. That is one disadvantage here. The bank people will put interest for your credit card because you are already taken the advance money from them through the credit card. So within a period, if you are not paid the money, they will charge the interest rates and higher fees. And rules are stricter than debit cards. Here rules are very strict. It's if you are not paying the limit of the credit cards, like you are not paying the money, they will put more interest and more fees for your credit card. Okay, that is there, and rules are very strict here for a credit card. Okay, these are the disadvantages of credit card. In an exam, they will ask for 2 marks, they will ask what is credit card, and for 5 marks explain about credit card, and in some time the question will come like what are the advantages and disadvantages of credit card. Okay, write all the notes in your notebook. Next class. Okay, these are the credit cards pictures. Okay, here you will be having SBI card and number is there, it is embossed, and this is a company logo, signature lines are there, and name of a person here. These are credit cards. Here electronic chip is there. Okay, just you can see electronic chip, and this is number and credit card. Here back side signature you have to put here, embossed electronic chip. Okay, these are the credit card. Already you have seen the debit card, but it is whose transaction is more, only for them this will be provided. Okay, next, some advantages and disadvantages also mentioned from different book I had given here. Just go through this also. Here the credit card are convenience, it saves your time, okay, and overuse, it may spend beyond your means, like that is there. And here record keeping, through the credit card you can track your expenses, okay, that you can do. And paperwork, you will need to save your receipts and checks again and again. That is disadvantage. Okay, it is also you can mention in advantages and disadvantages for your credit card. And here low cost loans, you are getting some low cost loans. Here if you are not paid money, you will get higher cost fees for it is expensive for you. Okay, instant cash, okay, you will get instant cash here. Cash advances are quick and convenient. Okay, here in credit card advantages, here unexpected fees means typically if you are not paid the money to the bank, you will get, okay, fees. And you can balance surfing. Many credit cards companies offer low introductory interest rate. Sometimes they'll offer for you. Here treasure rates are low introductory rates may be attractive first time, but whenever you cross the limit period, you have to pay the more interest and fees for your credit card. That is disadvantage. Okay, you can mention these points also for advantages and disadvantages. Okay, this complete.